What up, you Tubians? How y'all doing today on this Saturday? Another day without sleep for me, but it's all good. I just got off work. Went home, took a shower, checked on the kids, and my niece is at the house watching my kids. And so, finna go see Menashe and the baby. And no track and field come on today, so that's what I've been waiting on. Came on yesterday too, but it was, you know, prelims. But anyway, it's raining out here in Texas, and you know, I think it's supposed to rain for a couple of days, and the temperature's supposed to drop. So it's been 100 for I don't know how many days. So now we get a break. It's supposed to be about 80 something for like at least about 3 or 4 days, something like that. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna have to go get me something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. About to make that cafeteria rich. I got something yesterday. Was it yesterday or day before yesterday? Fajita. Oh my God. Oh, don't do it. What you making noises for, boy?
Hello y'all. EJ just came back from the nursery. Or they did. Oh. So EJ is back from the nursery. They did his hearing test. He passed both tests. They also changed the rules. Like, I was reading this last year after I had EJ too. That most hospitals are taking away the nursery as far as after you can't just send your baby to the nursery because you want to go to sleep. The baby would have to be sick, or the mom would have to be sick to where the mom couldn't care for the baby, and then the baby would go to the nursery. But other than that, your baby's with you 24/7. Which I don't mind. I'm tired I'm tired. But he's been pretty good. Yeah, he ain't cried. Like, that's how he do. Like, he hasn't had like a real cry to where he's just crying or whatever. He's breastfeeding good. He's so little. He was 6'12". All my other kids was like 7'14", 8'7". They were some big babies. Well, they were big. I mean, they were still small, but he little. Hey, Dicky man. Let me show you. And he won't take the breast. I don't think he like the camera being on. But I go home tomorrow. I'm ready to go home. Nothing to do here. Just watching Tonyo keep coming. Or every time he come up here, he turn it on the Olympics. I don't want to watch this. So I'm swole. My hands, feet still swole. I feel I don't hurt. Well, I'm sore, but what pregnant woman isn't really sore after they have a baby? Still don't have a name. The birth certificate place or the vital statistics at the hospital, they closed. They won't be back open until Monday. So yeah, we don't know. We was gonna name the baby Caleb, but I didn't want to name him that anymore. I didn't like it, so we're thinking of something else.
Fair.
Okay. Daddy went to the store.
You keep calling King Haha.
EJ. He touched the baby like, who? He gone.
I see my friends. Ugh, it's time for a day going to school.
He just woke up. Huh?
Try.
Mm-hmm.
I see my friends. It's Friday. No! It is not Friday. It's Monday. Run.
I mean, it's
Monday.
Sunday.
Run.
You see the baby?
We have 6 more days.
Oh no, don't.
Can't believe you missed the circus.
Look his hand.
Baby, go to the circus.
Yeah.
His hand.
I thought we were going to the circus.
Daddy had to go to work. It started at night.
Wanna give him a kiss?
You can get in the pool.
No. Give him a kiss.
But can you do this? I see my friend.
Give him a kiss, EJ. That's your brother.
He's like, no, nobody's gonna pick me up anymore. I guess.
Really?
Nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to be afraid of.
What are you? Give him a kiss. No, that's his lips. My lip.
I see my friend.
My eye. My arm. My hand.
This is hard,
What's
bro.
wrong?
It's so freaking hard.
Daddy.
Get past. I get past. I'm on level 9.
What are you doing? You can't hit him hard.
Cannonball.
That's his forehead, yeah.
But let's see who's better at
That's his nose.
better at this.
Yeah, that's his eye.
What happened?
EJ, he not a doll though. You can't do that, baby.
What's up, you Tubians? How y'all doing today on this Sunday? Happy to say Menasha and the baby's home. I know for these past 3-4 days, like, I ain't got no sleep whatsoever. Mainly because I'm trying to run to the hospital, run back home, run to the hospital, run back home. My sister and my niece was helping me out with the kids, but I just hadn't been able to get no sleep. So hopefully that Menasha and the baby's home, I can get me a little sleep now. So I'm on my way to Walmart. Get a few things.
I was trying to like put EJ down to lay on his own, and he didn't want to, like he wanted to keep breastfeeding. But my lip was sore, and I know like the first probably week or so when you start out, they're gonna be sore, they're gonna hurt, tender, whatever like that. But he just wanted to be on it, like just be on it, and I can't. It hurt. I need a break. So I decided to cut on some rain noises. And he is going for it. So that's, you might be having to sleep like that because I'm tired. I want to take a nap. I can't wait till I'm still a little sore. And I can't wait till I start feeling better so I can get up and clean up. I'm ready to just do some stuff without being pregnant. Trying to download an app, so we had to cut the noise off real quick. And he started squirming and fighting. Hey, yeah, shh.
Mom.
Natural.
Colin.
Yeah.
Oh, you die.
That's his hands.
Hi.
He not hot.
Mama, this sound like the soothing sound.
You want a high five? I don't think he liked that.
Stop, EJ. No, he's putting his thumb on him. He's lying. Yeah.
That's one too.
Mama.
That's the brother. It's your brother.
EJ.
Don't touch his eyes. That no.
You'll hurt
They can sleep. You can't see, they closed. Good morning, YouTubians. Let's see. I didn't get any sleep last night. He's starting to eat more. Thank you, Daddy. Him work hard. I wonder if he recognizes Antonio snoring. What you thinking about?
Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to us. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Hey, man.
He still don't have a name.
How I feel?